There we go. Okay. Okay, here we go. Yep, there it goes. And we can catch it over here. If we can get the light there on it. Yeah. Let's see which one it.
We've all been taking guesses as to which one it is.
Yeah. Pretty sure it's on the top row there. Thought so. One on the
left. We
left.
haven't been able to see it. Right.
Okay. Oh, I see. So it is. So it is out front there. Uh-huh. Ta-da! There you go.
It's a bow.
There's a bow on it and everything. It's beautiful.
What kind of car is it you're buying? It's a
Chevy Volt. Yeah.
That's the highlight.
And we should see it come down here fairly soon.
I can see shadows.
Yeah, there we go. Ta-da! All right, so now it slides it over.
They don't have like hyped like drama music.
No.
This part of it already.
I'm surprised it pointed it that way, though.
It turns.
Oh.
It's going to turn for you.
Oh, okay. I don't think it'll. No, I don't think it turns actually. Oh no, it does. I'll be darned.
You won the blue ribbon.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's great. No, now they open it up and they send it down the second slot there. And out it goes.
Alright, we actually see it going into the bay, right over here.
Okay.
That's all. There it goes.
Yes. Yeah, that's brilliant.
It's a beauty. What year is it?
15.
2015.
Yeah. And there we go.
Okay.
So it's going to do its own little safety check in there.
Okay.
The back door is going to close and the backdrop is going to close down. Just to make sure it's safe for us to actually go in.
Okay.
As soon as those front doors open, that's our cue to go in.
Okay.
All right.
Great.